Hello, my dear students. Now, let's see the effective number of atoms for a particular crystal lattice. Okay, so that we have to discuss. Effective number of atoms. Okay, effective number of atoms present in one unit cell. This is the particular concept for us. So as I told you in previous, if the atoms are present in corners, they are not belongs to one particular unit cell, because unit cells are arranged in a regular manner, means continuously they will arrange. Suppose if I am assuming two crystal lattice, I am not getting two particular same. So here Shahrukh Khan you have, and here good night. Okay. So here if you are considering these two, this is one unit cell and this is another unit cell. Actually same size unit cells if we have better, but I am not getting those. Okay. So here this is one unit cell and this is one unit cell. Like this, two are adjacent, and two more will be in the continuous manner, and one will be here, or here one is there, here one is there, like this, two. So in this way, how many unit cells can be placed? Suppose here you have, these are two unit cells. I am unable to hold properly. Yeah. This is corner atom. Look at here carefully. This is corner atom. This corner atom can be shared by how many unit cells? So here 1, 2. These are sharing. This is one unit cell. This is DTS box. Dish TV box. Okay. This one, 2 unit cells. This good night is 1 unit cell. This is 1 unit cell, and 2 you have. And here I can place 1 unit cell. Here I can place 1 unit cell. Total 4 unit cells I can place. And above these 4, here 1, here 1, here 1, here 1. That means this particular point can be shared by how many unit cells? 8 unit cells. So corner atom can be shared by 8 unit cells. Getting what I am saying? This is 1 unit cell, this is 1 unit cell, 2, and here 1 unit cell, here 1 unit cell, 4, and on these 4, here 1 unit cells, 5th one, here 6th one, here 7th one, here 8th one. Like that, this corner shared by 8 unit cells. Getting what I am saying? So how means like this, and like this, total 4. So here like this 2, and here like this 2. Total this particular corner shared by 8 unit cells. Similar way, here at bottom you have one more unit cell like this. Correct? At bottom you have one more unit cell here. So here. So that unit cells also, this unit cell also, this corner also can be shared by 8 unit cells. Sorry, not this unit cell. This corner also shared by 8 unit cells like that. So here 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and bottom 4 like that. So unit cells are present continuously in regular manner. So the particular corner atom is not belongs to one unit cell. Okay. So this particular corner atom shared by 8 unit cells, means for this particular unit cell, what is the contribution of that atom? 1 by 8 part only. For this unit cell, what is the contribution of this corner atom? 1 by 8 only. Getting what I am saying? So in that way we can say corner atom shared by 8 unit cells, means per unit cell contribution is 1 by 8. Getting what I am saying? So these are very, very important things. Here nothing to learn today, just we have to imagine. If you imagine properly, it will be very easy for us. Getting what I am saying? So I will give you one example. One apple shared by 8 persons. So per particular person, what will be the portion he can get? So 1 by 8 part he can get. Getting it? Suppose one cake 8 members are sharing. So one person, how much he will get? 1/8 part he will get or not? Like that, corner atom also same manner. I was shown in previous also. This is corner atom. Here you have a corner atom. So this is one, I told you, this is one box, this is second box, and here you have a third box, and here you have a fourth box. So this corner atom now sharing 4 unit cells, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here I can place fifth one, here I can place sixth one, 7, 8. So corner atom shared by 8 unit cells. This is very, very important. Okay. So per unit cell contribution 1 by 8. So those I will write here clearly. So first I will write positions here. First what I will write? Corners. Okay. First corners and face center and edge center, and next body center. These are 4. So here now contributions I will. So total corners, total atoms. First total corners how many? Total positions how many I will write here. Total corner positions. Total corner positions how many? 8. Right? Total face centers how many? 6 positions. Edge centers how many? How many? Total 12. Body centers how many? 1. Okay. Now per unit cell, what is the contribution individually? So corners how many? Face centers how many? And edge centers how many? Per unit cell you must know. Okay. So total positions, corner positions 8. Per unit cell is 1 by 8. Why 1 by 8 sir? Per unit cell contribution. Per unit cell contribution. You write down. I don't have a place here. Per unit cell contribution 1 by 8. Why 1 by 8 sir? Per unit cell contribution? Because corner atom shared by 8 unit cells. So per unit cell contribution is 1 by 8. So what is the effective number of atoms? Effectively how many atoms per unit cell? Appearing 8 corners and 8 atoms. But what exactly the contribution or partnership of per unit cell? Effective number of atoms per unit cell, how many means? Total 8 unit cells. So 8 into 1 by 8. Only one atom only you will have. Per unit cell corners contribution how much? Only 1. Because there are 8 corners. So 8 into 1 by 8. So per unit cell effectively how many atoms are present at corners means exactly 1 atom. Sir, I have 8 businesses, but in 8 businesses I don't have 100% partnership. Means 8 businesses are not belongs to me. In every business I have only 1/8 part. Means effectively how much I have means 8 into 1 by 8 is my portion. Getting or not? Because in 8 businesses, in each business I have 1/8 portion only mine in every business. So 8 businesses, my portion is 1 by 8. So how much total partnership effectively for Giri sir means 8 into 1 by 8. So effectively how many atoms you will get? 1 atom. 1 atom. So what is the effective number of corner atoms per unit cell means 1. This is very clear. So how I can? So total corners are 8. So per unit cell's contribution is 1 by 8 because each position, each corner position shared by 8 unit cells. So per unit cell it is 1 by 8. So effective number of atoms per unit cell how much means 8 into 1 by 8 is equals to 1 atom. Getting what I am saying? Next face center atoms how many? Total positions are 6. Now, I don't want everything here. Here we have a Mr. Shahrukh Khan. You can see now. Both are same. Okay. So corner atom shared by how many units? So here I have a corner. Face center. Face centers I have one here. You are unable to see. And here you have a face center atom. Okay. So this is one face. Total 6 faces I told you. Corners 8. 1, 2. See 1, 2. 3, 4, 4 corners, and here same way 5, 6, 7, 8. Total how many corners you have? 8. Like the faces how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here one phase, sixth phase. So in phase center, if one atom is there, this atom shared by how many unit cells? This phase center atom shared by how many unit cells? One unit cell is adjacent to other, I told. So in this phase, this is one phase and this is one phase. So this phase center atom now shared by how many unit cells? Only 2 unit cells. So one phase center atom can be shared by 2 unit cells. In middle, anybody can come? I told you here, this is one just corner atom and here nothing. So here this is unit cell, this is another unit cell. See, these both are sharing this corner atom. So one phase center atom shared by 2 unit cells. So per unit cells contribution is 1 by 2. So corner atom shared by 8 unit cells. Phase center atom shared by 2 unit cells. If you want one more column you can write. Shared by, corner atom shared by 8 unit cells. Phase center atom shared by 2 unit cells. Okay, edge center shared by, I'll tell you, 4 unit cells. Getting what I'm saying? Like that. So per unit cell contribution, it's 1 by 2 because one particular phase center atom shared by 2 unit cells. Okay, if you want, you can write in middle 1 by 2 because since this is since. Okay, don't write like this. Since one phase center atom shared by 2 unit cells. Shared by how many unit cells? 2 unit cells. One phase center atom shared by 2 unit cells. I don't have a place, that's why 2 unit cells I was not written. Otherwise don't think I don't know spelling of unit cell. Okay, I was written unit cell. One phase center atom shared by 2 unit cells. So per unit cell, what is the contribution? 1 by 2. In that way, how many phase centers are there for particular unit cell? Per unit cell, how many phase centers are there? Total 6 phase center atoms I was written here. So 6 into 1 by 2. So the effective number of atoms are 3. How many effective number of atoms? 3 effective number of atoms you will have in phase centers. How many effective corner atoms per unit cell? Only 1. How many effective phase center atoms? 3. Getting up? Because total how many phases you have? 6 phases. 1, this is backside 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 phases. Okay? But each phase center atom, this phase center atom shared by 2 unit cells. Getting? So this is phase center, this is phase, this is another phase, shared by how many? 2 unit cells. So total 6 phase center atoms are there, but effectively per unit cell, how many atoms means 6 into 1 by 2, it is 3. Like that, edge centers. Come to edge, it's very clear. This is edge. This is all called edge, just observe carefully. This is edge. Now this is edge center atom. Here you have an edge center atom. And I have this, I can. So this edge is shared by this edge particularly. This, see my finger here, this one. And this edge will shared by how many? Now 2 unit cells are sharing this edge center. Like that, I can place here one more unit cell and I can place one more here. So this edge center atom shared by 4 unit cells. Got it what I am saying? This is called edge, sir. This is called edge and this is called edge. So here atom is there, here, just see. Here you have atom. So this edge center atom is shared by 2 unit cells. So here 2, here 1, here 1. So 4 unit cells are sharing. 4 unit cells are sharing. Okay, one edge center atom shared by 4 unit cells. So what you can say? Per unit cell contribution, therefore it is 1 by 4 because each edge center atom shared by 4 unit cells, as I told you. So per unit cell, what is the contribution? 1 by 4. One business shared by 4 persons. Means one person have what is the partnership? 1/4 na. Like that, edge center atom shared by 4 unit cells. Means per unit cell, what is the contribution? Means 1 by 4. By considering total contributions, we are getting effective number of atoms. That's it. So here, how many corners you have totally? 12. How many edge centers you have? 12. So 12 into 1 by 4. So these are also 3. Because total 12 edges we have. So effective number of corner atoms, how many per unit cell? 1. Effective number of face center atoms per unit cell, how many? 3. Effective number of edge center atoms per unit cell, how many? 3. Okay. And for body center, no contributions. Because body center means exactly in middle of this. Means if you open this, exactly in middle, you cannot see. If you open this, you will get exactly in middle. Understanding? So body center atom is not belongs to any other unit cells. Body center atom is belongs to one particular unit cell, because body center atom is inside. Because if you open it, was closed actually. If you open this one, inside exactly at center and equal distance to every corner, you will have a body center. Getting what I am saying? So body center atom is belongs to only one unit cell. So how many effective number of body center atoms per unit cell means? 1. So per unit cell, if all these positions is there, 1 plus 3 plus 3, it's a 7 and total 8 effective number of, if all not possible, but if present I am telling. Getting what I am saying? So these are about effective number of atoms present in particular one unit cell. How many effective corner atoms means 1, how many effective face center atoms means 3, effective edge centers means it's 3, effective body centers means 1. Getting? So now we will discuss one by one. How many effective number of atoms in simple cubic, how many effective number of atoms for FCC face center, and how many effective number of atoms for body center, like that. Okay, now let's see, we will discuss now effective number of atoms present in simple cubic. Simple cubic. Examples also I will give you. First of all, we must understand these imaginary things. One corner atom shared by 8 unit cells, so per unit 1 by 8. One face center atom shared by 2 unit cells, so per unit cell 1 by 2. One edge center atom shared by 4 unit cells, means per unit cell 1 by 4. One body center atom is shared by only 1 unit cell, so effective number of body center atom is 1, like that. Okay, so now simple cubic means what? Simple cubic means you know already. So this is simple cubic. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 corners you have. So this corner atom contribution I told you 1 by 8, it's 1 by 8, it's 1 by 8, here 1 by 8, this one is 1 by 8, this is 1 by 8, this is also 1 by 8 and this is also 1 by 8. Because this corner atom we have to divide as 8 parts like this. Okay, this corner atom shared by 8 unit cells. So per unit cell the contribution definitely 1 by 8. So what are the effective number of atoms per unit cell in simple cubic? In simple cubic, it will be just 8 into 1 by 8, because nowhere you have atoms. You have atoms only at corners. So 8 into 1 by 8, just exactly one effective number of atoms. Now let's see the same effective number of atoms in FCC, or else you can call it as CCP, cubic close packing, face centered cubic. Okay, so example here, sodium chloride, NaCl has FCC. So here, how many effective number of atoms are present means 4. Getting what I'm saying? So this is a cube and here you have atoms. At face center means you have atoms at all corners as well as 6 faces. So you will have atoms at 6 faces like this, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 back side and 6 front side like this. So total how many face center atoms you have? 6. How many corners you have? 8. So in FCC where atoms present? In FCC atoms or ions present at all corners as well as all faces. So now how many effective number of atoms in FCC per unit cell is equals to, first you write down 8 plus 6 write down first. So positions I am writing first. 8 corners you have in FCC, 8 corner atoms you have and 6. But 8 and 6 are not belongs to one. Sir, FCC 8 plus 6 sir, 12. Sir, I have 8 businesses sir. Okay, in each business I have, my portion is only 1 by 8 sir. Can I go with total profit sir? No, it is not at all possible. It will be like a very great achievement if you are doing like this. Understanding? So it's wrong. So we cannot do like that. Correct? Huh? That's a fraud sir. That's why I am saying like that. We cannot do like that. That is not good. So here per unit cell contribution means 1 by 8 and 6 into 1 by 2. We have to take like this because I am calculating for what sir? Per unit cell. So how many effective number of atoms are there? 1 plus 3. So total 4 effective number of atoms. So in NaCl crystal lattice, how many effective number of atoms are present? Means 4 you have to say. So effective number of atoms in FCC or CCP, how many? Means 4 effective number of atoms. Coordination number means 6 for FCC. I told 12 exactly. And this particular FCC, effective number of atoms how many? Means 4. Effective number of atoms how many? 4 you have to consider. Remaining also we will consider, we will calculate effective number of atoms for BCC, effective number of atoms for HCP and all those in our next class. Okay sir.